Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to work.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had breakfast.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
Did you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee.
Did you read the newspaper?
No, I did not read the newspaper.
How did you get to work?
I drove my car to work.
Did you face any traffic?
Yes, I faced heavy traffic.
Did you arrive at work on time?
Yes, I arrived on time.
What did you do first at work?
I checked my emails.
Did you have any meetings?
Yes, I had 2 meetings.
What were the meetings about?
They were about project updates.
Did you take any breaks?
Yes, I took a lunch break.
Where did you have lunch?
I had lunch at a nearby cafe.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate a chicken salad.
Did you work with your team?
Yes, I worked with my team.
Did you finish all your tasks?
No, I did not finish all my tasks.
What time did you leave work?
I left work at 5 p.m.
Did you go straight home?
No, I went to the gym first.
How long did you work out?
I worked out for an hour.
What exercises did you do?
I did cardio and weight training.
Did you feel tired after your workout?
Yes, I felt very tired.
Did you take a shower at the gym?
Yes, I took a shower at the gym.
Did you meet anyone at the gym?
Yes, I met an old friend.
Did you have a conversation with your friend?
Yes, we talked for a while.
What did you talk about?
We talked about our jobs and families.
Did you go home after that?
Yes, I went home after that.
What time did you get home?
I got home around 7 p.m.
Did you cook dinner?
Yes, I cooked dinner.
What did you cook for dinner?
I cooked pasta with vegetables.
Did you watch TV after dinner?
Yes, I watched TV.
What did you watch?
I watched a documentary.
Did you enjoy the documentary?
Yes, I enjoyed it very much.
Did you read a book before bed?
Yes, I read a book before bed.
What book did you read?
I read a mystery novel.
Did you like the book?
Yes, it was very interesting.
What time did you go to bed?
I went to bed at 10 p.m.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
Did you dream?
Yes, I had a dream.
What was your dream about?
It was about traveling to a new city.
Did you set an alarm?
Yes, I set an alarm for 6 a.m.
Did you exercise in the morning?
No, I did not exercise in the morning.
Did you prepare your clothes the night before?
Yes, I prepared my clothes the night before.
Did you check your schedule before going to bed?
Yes, I checked my schedule.
Did you talk to your family?
Yes, I talked to my family.
Did you call or text them?
Called them.
What did you discuss with your family?
We discussed our plans for the weekend.
Did you read any news online?
Yes, I read some news online.
What news did you read?
I read about the latest technology trends.
Did you do any household chores?
Yes, I did some laundry.
Did you clean your house?
Yes, I cleaned my house.
Did you do the dishes?
Yes, I did the dishes.
Did you take out the trash?
Yes, I took out the trash.
Did you water the plants?
Yes, I watered the plants.
Did you walk your dog?
Yes, I walked my dog.
Did you visit anyone?
No, I did not visit anyone.
Did you go shopping?
Yes, I went shopping.
What did you buy?
I bought groceries.
Did you buy anything special?
Yes, I bought a new book.
Did you go to the mall?
No, I did not go to the mall.
Did you go to the supermarket?
Yes, I went to the supermarket.
Did you spend a lot of money?
No, I did not spend a lot of money.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, I found everything I needed.
Did you cook a special meal?
No, I did not cook a special meal.
Did you eat out?
No, I did not eat out.
Did you order takeout?
Yes, I ordered takeout.
What did you order?
I ordered Indian food.
Did you try a new restaurant?
No, I did not try a new restaurant.
Did you go for a walk in the park?
Yes, I went for a walk in the park.
Did you take any photos?
Yes, I took some photos.
Did you post any photos online?
Yes, I posted them on social media.
Did you receive many likes?
Yes, I received many likes.
Did you reply to the comments?
Yes, I replied to the comments.
Did you visit any friends?
No, I did not visit any friends.
Did you invite anyone over?
No, I did not invite anyone over.
Did you play any games?
Yes, I played video games.
What game did you play?
I played a racing game.
Did you win the game?
Yes, I won the game.
Did you listen to music?
Yes, I listened to music.
What kind of music did you listen to?
I listened to pop music.
Did you watch any movies?
Yes, I watched a movie.
What movie did you watch?
I watched an action movie.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Did you read any magazines?
No, I did not read any magazines.
Did you write anything?
Yes, I wrote in my journal.
What did you write about?
I wrote about my day.
Did you draw or paint?
No, I did not draw or paint.
Did you visit any websites?
Yes, I visited several websites.
What websites did you visit?
I visited news and entertainment websites.
Did you learn anything new?
Yes, I learned a new recipe.
Did you share the recipe with anyone?
Yes, I shared it with my sister.
Did you fix anything at home?
Yes, I fixed a leaky faucet.
Did you do any gardening?
Yes, I did some gardening.
Did you plant any flowers?
Yes, I planted some flowers.
Did you talk to your neighbors?
Yes, I talked to my neighbors.
Did you have a long conversation?
Yes, we talked for about an hour.
Did you visit any family members?
No, I did not visit any family members.
Did you call anyone?
Yes, I called my friend.
Did you write any emails?
Yes, I wrote a few emails.
Did you send any text messages?
Yes, I sent several text messages.
Did you receive any calls?
Yes, I received a call from my boss.
Did you make any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I made plans to go hiking.
Did you check the weather forecast?
Yes, I checked the weather forecast.
Did you organize your closet?
Yes, I organized my closet.
Did you find anything you thought you lost?
Yes, I found an old photo album.
Did you talk to anyone on social media?
Yes, I chatted with a few friends.
Did you update your status?
Yes, I updated my status.
Did you receive any messages?
Yes, I received several messages.
Did you respond to all the messages?
Yes, I responded to all of them.
Did you check your work emails at home?
No, I did not check my work emails at home.
Did you pay any bills?
Yes, I paid my utility bills.
Did you balance your checkbook?
Yes, I balanced my checkbook.
Did you visit the bank?
No, I did not visit the bank.
Did you withdraw any money?
No, I did not withdraw any money.
Did you watch any sports?
Yes, I watched a soccer match.
Did your favorite team win?
Yes, my favorite team won.
Did you play any sports?
No, I did not play any sports.
Did you clean your car?
Yes, I cleaned my car.
Did you check your car's oil?
Yes, I checked the oil.
Did you fill up your gas tank?
Yes, I filled up the gas tank.
Did you go for a drive?
Yes, I went for a drive.
Did you visit any scenic places?
Yes, I visited a nearby lake.
Did you take any photos there?
Yes, I took many photos.
Did you visit any museums?
No, I did not visit any museums.
Did you attend any events?
No, I did not attend any events.
Did you meditate?
Yes, I meditated for 20 minutes.
Did you do any yoga?
No, I did not do any yoga.
Did you write a blog post?
Yes, I wrote a blog post.
What did you write about?
I wrote about my travel experiences.
Did you publish the post?
Yes, I published it online.
Did you receive any feedback?
Yes, I received positive feedback.
Did you plan your next day?
Yes, I planned my next day.
Did you set any goals for the week?
Yes, I set several goals.
Did you achieve any of your goals?
Yes, I achieved some of them.
Did you relax in the evening?
Yes, I relaxed in the evening.
Did you take a bath?
Yes, I took a relaxing bath.
Did you listen to a podcast?
Yes, I listened to a podcast.
What was the podcast about?
It was about personal development.
Did you learn anything from the podcast?
Yes, I learned new productivity tips.
Did you feel productive yesterday?
Yes, I felt very productive.
Did you write down your thoughts?
Yes, I wrote in my journal.
Did you go to bed late?
No, I did not go to bed late.
Did you prepare your breakfast for the next day?
Yes, I prepared my breakfast.
Did you make any to-do lists?
Yes, I made a to-do list.
Did you review your expenses?
Yes, I reviewed my expenses.
Did you track your habits?
Yes, I tracked my habits.
Did you organize your workspace?
Yes, I organized my workspace.
Did you charge your devices?
Yes, I charged my phone laptop.
Did you drink enough water?
Yes, I drank plenty of water.
Did you enjoy your day overall?
Yes, I enjoyed my day very much.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.